Hi guys, so today I will show you how I decorated my air dry clay containers to make a home decor item. So let's get started, and if you're new to my channel and haven't been here already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below and the bell icon to get a video every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. And if you also want to connect with me through other social media like my Twitter, Facebook and Instagram, all that information is in the description box below for you. So I'm going to stand off the air dry clay container. If you want to make one of these containers, I have videos in a playlist which I will put at the end of this video as well, and you can find it in my channel to make these containers. So this air dry clay I got from dollar store. It's about $2 and it's very easy to mold and make stuff with, so I recommend this very much. I usually use Crayola air dry clay, but this one I just wanted to get and try it, and it worked perfectly fine, and it's very nice to work with as well. So then let's get started. I'm going to use moss, the actual moss from dollar store as well, and some flowers and some other material, and I'll show you every step of the way. Let me know what you think in the comments below. So then let's get started. So there you go. These are 3 items that I made. I really hope you like it, and if you do like it, don't forget to leave a comment below and let me know. And if you would like to buy products with this print on my Redbubble shop, check it out. The link is in the description box below for you. So then I'm going to put some next videos for you, including the air dry clay playlist that I promised, and also the containers. And as you see here, and don't forget to hit on my face logo to subscribe to my channel. I bring a video every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And if you want me to draw something or to make something, let me know in the comments below. I will definitely try to do what you want me to do and show you how to do it as well. And let me know what you think of this video. So then, have a great day. Bye.